you're hiking and you've just come upon somebody who appears to be unresponsive. First, you need to do a scene assessment. Don't run in there, check around. There might be a reason why he's unresponsive. Snake bites, maybe there's a bear in the area, something like that. So look around, make sure the area is safe. It appears to be safe. On your approach, try and get their attention. Hey, are you okay? What's your name? Can you hear me? Appears to be unresponsive. Now we're gonna go right into what is called our ABCs. So you'll slowly come over to the side of this guy. All right, A, airway. You want to check its integrity. Make sure it's not dislodged. If you can see something stuck in it, airway appears to be good. B, breathing. Come on down. Listen for any breathing through the mouth and watch the chest for rising and falling. C, circulation. 2 fingers near side of the throat, and you're feeling for a heartbeat. Now, in this situation, we don't have an airway, breathing, or circulation, so I would go right into CPR on this person. This is something I need you to do for me. Go and get your CPR certification, please. Because if this was somebody you cared about and you didn't know what to do from here, that's not a good thing. So that's your latest 4Patriots Survival Minute. Now please subscribe to this channel and enable your alarms so you can get the latest Survival Minute videos the moment they're ready. And please like this video and share these tips with people you care about so you can be a survivor, not a statistic. Cade out.